Hello everybody. I just want to give you a quick explanation of what you need to do. The main thing I need you to do is to buy some XRP for yourself, and you need to do it really quick. If before Monday would be best, when Trump gets inaugurated, or before Tuesday at the latest. So anyway, there's crypto.com, and if you pull my pin out, so if you see up on there the icon of crypto.com, what it looks like, you get that loaded, you log in. So you have to give it a passcode. Okay, it started up. Let me get rid of this thing maybe later. Okay, so this is the home page, and down at the very bottom there's the home button and the accounts button and the trade button, market and card. Okay, market is to go look at the prices of the coins, what they're currently at, and there's the XRP right there. So if you click on XRP, it'll give you more detail about it and where it's at. If we look at the past 3 months, which is where the big change has happened, 3 months ago it was what's it, up there on the top left underneath the word XRP, it says the price 53 cents. That was November 5th, November 4th, whenever Trump won the election. So it went way up. Currently it's at 321. That's a big change. That's 6 times, right? Yeah, 6 times. So if you had $1,000 in there in November, it will be worth $6,000 now. So anyway, and it's about to, this is just kind of like the beginning. So this coming either Monday or Tuesday is when the really big jump is going to be. And I want you to get in on it. So go into down the bottom, you see it says buy XRP. You can click on that. So when you click on buy XRP, up at the top it tells you 30.937 XRP is equal to approximately $99.48. So you can only edit the top field. So if you click on these little arrows on the far right there, the up and down arrows, you click it, so it switches positions. So let's say, oh well, I don't want to put $100, I want to put 1,050 or whatever. Oh, I'm sorry, did I not hit 1,000 right? $1,050. So let's just say you bought that, they will give you 324.714 XRP. So anyway, let's see, how do I get rid of this? I'm going to click in space on the white area so that that little thing would go away down there at the bottom. So now you see that you need a credit card or a debit card or however, what kind of payment you want to make with cash. Now, if you had crypto and you wanted to exchange the crypto, let's say you had Ethereum, and which here it shows that I have 0. But if I had Chronos and I wanted to buy XRP, so if I click on Chronos, let's see, and then I click on the max, then it shows me the amount of Chronos I have. Up at the top, the small lettering is 500, and it can buy 22 XRP. That's not $500, that's 500 Chronos coins. Either way, so once you get your payment set up, you just purchase it, and that's it, and it's going to go into your wallet. So let me kill this here, and let's go back. On the top left, there's a little arrow to the left. Click on that. Now the menu's down at the bottom. When you look at the menu down at the bottom, you see accounts. So you click on accounts, and each account looks like you can have some stocks now in here, regular stocks, which I'm not interested myself. Some different things here. You can learn about those as you go, but right now we're looking at the crypto wallet at the top underneath where it says buy product. If you click on the crypto wallet, it'll show you your wallet, what you have. all coins that you have. Well, it's going to show all coins. You see, hide small balances. If I click on that, I don't know if it gets rid. Yeah, it gets rid of all the extra ones that are not mine. If I show all, it just shows a bunch of different ones, which are all zero. But I want to hide it, just show the ones that I do have. So it shows that underneath the Chronos, for example, it's 500 Chronos and it's worth $74. You know, Hedera, XRP, VeChain, Bitcoin. These are just some small amounts that I have on this app. And I leave it here because sometimes I want to trade something and there's a little bit of money over here that I can use to buy or trade what I have for something that I know that's going to go up. So anyway, that's how you get it. Also, you have and up at the very top, the big lettering 7817. That's how much US dollars you have in there. That's where you would see how much you have. There's the buy button also, and the sell button, and the transfer. Now, when you buy your XRP, it's going to put it here. Like buy XRP on this app is 436 XRP, and it's worth $1,400. That's just a little bit of what I have. But if I wanted to sell, you just click on the sell, and of course it's going to ask you which one you want to sell. Let's just say I wanted to sell the XRP because you wanted, let's say if you bought $1,000 worth and in however many weeks or whatever it doubles. And my thinking is the best thing to do if you're concerned about losing the money is take out the 1,000 that you put in and leave the other 1,000 to ride and work with. That way you never lose your money. You just work with the profit that you made. So anyway, so you're going to have to sell it if you want to put it back into your bank account. Click on PayPal, US dollars. So if you had PayPal and had it connected, if you sold your XRP, it's going to put it straight into your PayPal, it looks like. I've never used that, and that's really nice now because it didn't used to be there. For crypto, what I want to go over right now is how to get your money back to your account. So if we go to accounts, instead of going to the crypto wallet, go to the cash wallet, and in there you're going to have to click on cash. You have to open an account here and accept their agreement to use a cash account here. So I don't have one because I've always just traded crypto with this platform. I have Coinbase. Let's see, Coinbase, this one right here. Coinbase. That one, I have my bank account connected to it. So I usually just transfer from my crypto.com straight to my Coinbase, and then from my Coinbase, I put it into my bank account. There is a fee, there's a fee with everything, of course, but it's pretty minor. It would be better to go directly from crypto.com straight to your bank account, especially if that's all you have is crypto.com. I would say, Coinbase is the official government run marketing platform for cryptocurrencies. And in there they have your wallet also. And I have a wallet there too. I keep them all pretty much empty if I'm not trading. But if I'm going to trade, I'll put some money in there or some crypto in there or cash, whatever. Cash first straight from my account, and then I buy what I want, crypto, and sometimes I leave it there and use it if I know I'm going to do something. If I feel like I'm just making a transaction and I'm just going to get it right off and put it on my cold storage, which is off the internet. Cold storage is a wallet that is off the internet. It's always disconnected. Only time you connect it is when you're going to do a transaction. That way it's protected from being hacked as much as possible. If you leave your money in these, in Coinbase or crypto.com or any other electronic that's called a hot wallet, it's always live. So it could be hacked. And I'm not trying to scare you or anything, but it's a possibility. But I've been doing this for 4 years, 5 years, maybe 4 years, and I haven't really had any issues other than when they update the app. I have to look at everything again to find where everything's at, understand what they did with the app so that I can use it. There's been quite a bit of changes. It's all new. Cryptocurrency started back in 2009, with Bitcoin. So here we are. What is this, 16 years now, 15, 16 years since its beginning. And it's very young. So, but it's very well established. It's a way of banking without the middleman being the bank. The bank takes all your money all the time. But when you use crypto and you store your crypto in your wallet, and you especially cold storage, then you have your money in your hand, not the banks. So if they want to close down, or which is a possibility, or take your money out of your account and never give it back to you, and make you fight them in court and stuff like that, because it happens, and it's going to happen more. It'd be interesting to see what changes come with this new administration. They have a lot of changes to put in, and they're going to be very crypto heavy, because all the banks are heading, or have gotten into, all the central banks around the world are connected with XRP, and they're going to go live on day one of Trump's presidency. Now, is day one the day of inauguration, or is day one Tuesday? I don't know. But I can tell you that after he won the election, all the crypto went up a very big, like 30-40%, like the very next day. So I'm expecting the same thing's going to happen again. But with XRP, since every central bank around the world is going to have to buy XRP to be on the system, they're buying trillions. I mean trillions of multi-trillions of XRP. Now there's a lot of XRP to go around, but that puts a strain on anything that is wanted by more people than there is available, raises the price. Okay, so that's what's expected. Not that it's not going to be available. It is. There's just not going to be as much available. So the whole thing is, you're a little guy getting in the middle of all these giant bank transactions, and all you're going to do is put your few dollars in there that they wouldn't even spit on it, but for you it makes a world of difference to put in $1,000, and quite possibly by the end of the year you could make that 1,000, just that same 1,000. You don't know how much it's going to go, but let's just say it's 10,000 a year, and it could be more. It could be a lot more. It's hard to say because of how much money is about to be dumped in here. And the whole thing is, you need to be set so that when they start dumping their money in here and the price starts to go crazy, you're just sitting pretty. You're just collecting. The price of what you bought will continue to rise. And this could happen actually for several years. So anyway, as soon as it doubles, I would suggest, if you're afraid of losing the money, to pull out your money. If you just feel like, hey, I'm good, I'm gonna go for it, and just leave it all in there, you'll get where you're going a lot faster. So anyway, so that's crypto.com. As much as I could explain, I couldn't show you exactly because I don't have a cash account. But if you have the cash account and you go in there and use the transfer, you're going to have the opportunity to connect your bank account, is my understanding. And of what I'm seeing here, if you have any problems, don't hesitate to call me or send me a message or something. I'll be happy to answer any questions or walk you through anything to get you started. The main thing is, you have today, just today, maybe tomorrow. So I wouldn't play around. This only takes maybe 15-20 minutes for you to get this done. To get your crypto.com account, make sure you keep your passwords safe. I wouldn't store it on my phone, my passwords. I wouldn't I wouldn't even. I mean, all of my crypto stuff, it's protected as much as possible. I have a password vault from Norton's internet security, Norton, that has all my passwords for every account I ever had. And when I go to log in, it'll ask me for passwords there. Or you have your codes, number codes. If you have a good number code that you can memorize, and make sure you never forget it, because if you forget it, you're gonna lose your money. Don't forget your passwords. There's ways to recover also. They've done a lot of stuff as far as for to be able to recover getting into your account. So they're going to give you some options for separate ways to enter your account. Because you'll be able to send yourself a code to your phone, and then you'll put that code into the app to unlock your account. That's another way. So if you forgot your password, they have the two-factor authentication. They have other ways. You can do it to an email. They have 2 or 3 different ways of verifying you, and so that you can log in again. But definitely you don't want to lose your passwords. And sorry for fumbling around with the app. I was trying to be just as straight and direct as I can be to tell you, so it's not complicated. But it's just I haven't really used this app to get cash to my account, like I said. So, and the app has changed a lot since I last was in it. I got in it a couple weeks ago to swap out some crypto that I wanted to buy, and I saw that a lot of things has changed, because it had been a couple of years before I even bothered to get in here and look around. But it's changed a lot. There's a whole lot of stuff in there now, which is really cool. But anyway, get it done.